Hey you, today you get an update on Nano Banana Pro inside Higgsfield, which is the easiest platform in my opinion to use. This feature changes how you build your avatar content. You get better consistency, stronger movement, and more control over how your AI twin behaves on camera. Let me walk you through the update and show you how to use it. First, Nano Banana now reads your reference image with more accuracy. You get tighter face structure, smoother hair flow, and better lighting. Your clips look closer to a real creator. This helps your content stand out on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Second, the new version keeps your outfit and background stable. Before this update, your avatar would drift, outfits could change, rooms shifted. Your brand identity lost structure. Nano Banana fixes this. Your avatar now holds the same space and the same outfit. You get a clean, consistent feed. Third, you get stronger motion. Nano Banana gives you more natural head tilts, eye tracking, breathing, and micro expressions. Your avatar looks human. You get more trustworthy on camera identity. So let's show you how to set it up. All right, now we're inside of Higgsfield, and I just want to show you all of these were done using Nano Banana Pro. And I just want you to see the level of detail, like superhuman, the flush cheeks, the lip shape and the lip color, and then the lashes. And then I want to scroll down and show you some that were done, not in Nano Banana. Most of these were done in Sea Dream. A couple of them were done in Nano Banana. Let me go way back here. Sorry, I was doing stuff for my prompt vault. So if you like any of these prompts, you can jump into prompt vault and grab these. Okay, so these were done in regular Nano Banana. You can see the face kind of shifting a little bit within each of these. So I want to show you how to do this. You can literally plug in one reference image and your prompt, which is how I created all of these images. Like, look at just the level of detail here. Like, wow. So I did this with one reference image and adding in the prompt. But if you were an influencer and you wanted to add in um, say you were creating things for TikTok shop or Amazon affiliate, I want to show you how to do that. So the very first thing that we need to do is we need to upload our reference image first, and then we're going to upload our room second. So let me go find that image really quick. It is labeled. Let's see. Room right here. Okay. So you can upload up to 14 reference images. For this, you don't really need that many. So we've got our face reference image, our room reference image, which I just went on to Pinterest and found a room that I liked. And then we go and add our outfit reference image, which I need to make these icons just a little bit bigger. So we are going to do this outfit, and we'll click, let's see, let's add the prompt. Model in room showing off this outfit. We'll just see what that does. I'm gonna actually change this to 9/16 and we'll click unlimited. If we toggle this button on and off, it will give us the option for the unlimited images, which Higgsfield has for free right now. If you toggle it off, it's gonna take 2 credits. So make sure you always have this on, and then you can generate as many as you want to. All right, I'm gonna come back when this is complete. All right, here she is. You can see how realistic this looks. The hair just looks super realistic. The face is on target with the reference image. It got the background exactly right and it put the outfit where it needs to go. Now, the original Nano Banana did do this as well, but again, you may have had slight shifting of the background, the face, the hair just didn't look all that human, completely human, that is. It still did looked really good, but this just looks 10 times better. So I encourage you to jump into Nano Banana, especially in Higgsfield, which is a super easy platform to use and play around with this. And I think you will see just how amazing it is and looking extremely lifelike. When you keep this setup the same for every video, you get a strong brand identity. You become recognizable. You build trust faster. You also create daily content without spending hours of filming. Subscribe to the channel if you want simple steps to help you grow with AI. You'll learn how to build content fast, stay consistent, and turn your skills into income. And if you want deeper training and a full system, join AI Income Academy. You get the exact workflows I use each day. And I'll see you in the next video.